Today marked the completion of a journey that began in December. For the past few months, I've been conducting weekly art therapy sessions, 2 groups every week. I won't lie, the beginning wasn't easy. There was resistance, there was heaviness, and there was a strong question in the room. Why are we doing art? Changing that mindset wasn't simple. But week by week, something shifted. And today I want to share the final activity we did together, a very powerful self reflection exercise called a dual self portrait. This exercise explored the idea that we all carry two selves, the outer self, the version the world sees, and the inner self, the one we protect, hide, or don't always feel safe expressing. Sometimes we appear strong on the outside but feel soft inside. Sometimes we stay silent when we have so much to say. Sometimes we hide emotions just to survive. And sometimes it's the opposite. So here I'm just writing my emotions, my feelings, and labeling them with color, as I don't want to write. I just want to use color to express. All you need is a sheet, draw a circle, divide that circle into half. One side is your inner self and other side will be your outer self. Before starting, pause. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat 3 times. If you like, lit a candle, play soft music, create a safe space for yourself. Start with the inner self. This is the part we don't always show. The emotions we hide, the fear, the softness. As I mentioned, if drawing feels difficult, use colors instead. Use symbol. You can lean into color psychology, blue for sadness, or create your own. Choose what feels true for you. You don't need to explain it. Just let it exist. Now move to the outer self. What does the world see? Your strength, your silence, your confidence. defense, a smile that hides something deeper. Let that side tell its own story. While you reflect, I'll leave you with a soft music. No talking, just space. Take your time. I'll see you when we are done. What made this final session so meaningful for me was seeing one of the beneficiaries independently use color and symbol before I structured it. He understood the process. He began using art as a tool, not just as an activity. And for any facilitator, that is the greatest achievement. Art therapy isn't about making something beautiful, it's about making something honest. At the end of this video, I'll share a glimpse of their work and our classroom. Because transformation doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks quiet. Sometimes it looks like a man finally choosing to express instead of suppress. If this exercise resonates with you, save it, share it, or try it tonight. You might be surprised what your inner self is ready to say. Don't forget to comment below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, keep creating, keep sharing your work. Join my Facebook community and you can share your artwork there. Express yourself. I am here for you. Take care, everyone.
لو جيب لك العمر واحد ان شاء الله